Hey, what's up, y'all? We're back here with another little unboxing episode. I got a few more things in the mail. Two more things for the GTO. One for the transmission. Got the flywheel in, and what I think is the Trunion Upgrade from GPI, which was the last thing for the camshaft I was waiting on, as far as I know. As well as a charge pipe for my buddy's 335i BMW, which is going to let us be able to tune it mildly. So anyways, we're going to open the flywheel first. Let's get into it. This flywheel is basically just like a nicer stock replacement. It's like $130 or so before shipping. Open it. This is the box it comes in, what they shipped it in. JEGS logo on it. Here we got like a t-shirt. Maybe a couple little goodies in here. Pretty good shipping time. Alright. So first we got a couple stickers. Sweet. Got some stickers there. What's this? This is probably like, yeah, that's the rear main seal. Rear main seal. Here's the box the actual flywheel comes in. Can't set nothing down. I've lost my knife. There it is. Here is the flywheel. Yeah, definitely not a lightweight flywheel. That has definitely got some weight to it. And a little t-shirt. Good. JEGS #1 in performance. That is pretty. So that's for a 97 to 04 LS1 and LS6 5.7. What that says for the flywheel. Put that back in here. Alright. We'll go ahead and do the Trunion Upgrade. If I'm even saying that right. Okay, I could not be trusted with this knife. Left it in the box. Long day. Alright. So this is also from GPI. These were on back order, so I didn't come with the original shipment. Try not to show my address too much. Or my leadership's address, actually, since I live in the barracks. Alright, here we go. This should be Smith Brothers. Give me 1 second. There we go. There you have it. There's Trunion Upgrade. Nice and pretty. I believe these are brass fittings. I'm not going to be running too much horsepower out of this overall, like even down the road. At least I say that now. You know how that goes. So we'll see. I should have opened this different. If you look, there's actually, I'm about to mess this up. There's actually a deal like that, but my ass opens it different, of course. So yeah, we're just gonna leave that there for now. I'll fix it here in a little bit. Don't want to lose anything. So nice kit there. This one, like I said, this is the charge pipe from Ecs Tuning. This is for the 335i. This is the one where you don't need a aftermarket blow-off valve. You can just run with your factory diverter valves, which is the same one I had on my 335i. And honestly, like, my 335i was a lot more aggressive than what his is, at least for now. And I literally had no problems out of mine. And I really don't see the point in having to order a aftermarket blow-off valve for it. It's kind of pointless in my opinion, because it all does the same trick. Because on this one, we're going to cap it off to where it dumps the diverter valve tubes into the atmosphere. So here it is. Here's the actual charge pipe. It's all wrapped up. And then this will be the boot and the clamps they provide, as well as should be some like little caps in here. So there's that. I'll go ahead and unwrap this and show you guys what I'm talking about. I mean, if you know, you already know, but I'll show you for anyone that's wanting to know. Sorry, my video camera quality isn't the greatest right now. I have my buddy that owns the 335 is going to be on here probably quite a bit once he gets back from the field. He is currently doing a spur ride. Shout out 114 Cav. Alright, hold on. Give me 1 second. This is going to be the worst video I post, I guarantee it. Alright. There we go. If any of y'all do own a BMW, no matter what it is, if you're looking for good deals on quality parts, definitely ECS Tuning, or the one I really like is FCP Euro. Here's the charge pipe. So this is normally where like your diverter valves would go to divert the air back into the charge pipe to go back into the intake manifold. But it's kind of pointless. So yeah, we're just gonna cap these off for your mass airflow sensor will go. You also have two of these, one there on top, one on the bottom, if you want to run like nitrous or water methanol. I know a lot of people like to do that. I never did, never really needed it. I was running, on mine I had the stage 2 fuel pump, not the bucket list one. I rebuilt my fuel basket, catless downpipes from VRSF, street exhaust, little short throw shifter, the Burger Motorsports filters, intercooler. It's like the 5-inch intercooler. That's if you want an intercooler. If you're not building over 600 horsepower, 700 horsepower, or something actually really aggressive, and you're looking to upgrade your intercooler, Burger Motorsports intercooler is more than enough to get the job done. And it is, from my research, probably the cheapest unit out there. That is quality. What else did I have done to it? I had JB4 on board, but I used that at first until I got some decent tunes from some other people that were even more knowledgeable than myself on the platform. And I ended up running like a custom stage 2 type of tune, or stage 2 plus type of tune through MHD flasher, almost like a back-end flash, and I just used my JB4 Bluetooth as like gauge monitoring and clearing codes and just checking out, see what was wrong. It was a lot more convenient than having to plug in the MHD flasher. But with that being said, then you will, as long as you know what you're doing and your car is built to take the power, you can definitely get a lot more power out of the MHD flasher. I was running like E60, so it ended up being about, I can't remember what the calculator said, it was like 8.5 gallons of E85 and 7.5 gallons of premium, which is 92 octane here. And it ran pretty damn good until I wrecked it. And I bought it back from insurance and sold it to a guy just north of Seattle, and he loves it and is making it a drift car. And last time I talked to him, actually I still need to get the title of the vehicle over to him, kind of slacking on that. He said it was a ripper, and he seems to be pretty happy with it. And I'm excited to go out to the track and watch him rip the shit out of it. Hopefully, maybe even drive it if he's nice enough. Awesome guy, by the way. And I think that's all we have coming in the mail. That should be everything we need for the cam upgrade this summer. That'll be sometime between June 11th and 27th. That's when I'm taking leave. So we've got the GPI stationary cam for the LS1, Smith Brothers Trunnion Upgrade. We have 7.425 GPI push rods that are 5/16 and hardened. What else did I get? Oh, Brian Tooley Racing 660 dual valve springs. I feel like I'm forgetting stuff. We got a little K&N cold air intake. I'd already put that on the car, so I'm not gonna have an unboxing video of that. Also have the stage 1 clutch, slave cylinder, throwout bearing, JEGS Flywheel, and I've got a speed bleeder on the way from Tick Performance, but I gotta get the transmission done because my throwout bearing is definitely making some noises. So I don't think the speed bleeder will be here in time for that install. So we'll have to do that later down the road, which I'm not too worried about it. It's more of a convenience thing. But anyways, stay tuned, be patient with me, and hopefully you'll see some actual car footage here before too long. All right. Well, I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.